Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So the Perplexity browser extension, whether it's the comic sidebar or the standard extension you all use. No matter what website you are on, you highlight text, right click or click the extension icon, and Perplexity gives you answers instantly. It's a massive boost, massive update, and an upgrade even. But what happens when that extension just stops working out of nowhere? The icon is totally grayed out, clicking it does nothing, or you get an error message. Your AI assistant has gone silent. Browser extension issues can be tricky because there are so many potential culprits. For example, other extensions causing glitches, browser flags that need to be enabled, or any corrupted local storage, even an outdated browser version. But according to many sources, we can easily fix this. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through all of this fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Check if it's a confliction extension. As I told you, this is the most cause of extension issues. Make sure you disable VPNs, proxies, any third-party tools, and keep only the Perplexity extension working. Check the browser version compatibility. If you are using Chrome, Opera, or Edge, make sure you are using the latest model, so you won't have much issues with it. Clear extension local storage data by going through the Chrome settings site data, then search for perplexity.ai. Click the trash icon next to the Perplexity's entries, then confirm to remove all of them data. Then you can basically install them again. And that's the whole idea. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.